Hello friends, what a beautiful day it is. How happy I am. Why I am making these assertions? Yes, these are the exclamations. Today we are going to learn the reported speech of exclamatory sentences, which is very important for your exam. So let's see. First we will see what is meant by exclamation, how we can identify the exclamatory sentences. The exclamatory sentences always start with the words what or how. These are the starting words of exclamations, and at the end of the sentence there is exclamatory mark. So you can identify the exclamations. So let's see how to convert the direct speech of exclamation into indirect speech. The first sentence is, he said, how happy I am. So as per the rules, we will write down the subject first. Then the reporting verb said is given. So instead of said, the reporting verbs which are used in exclamations are exclaimed, whispered, lovingly told. As per the meaning of the sentence, you can use any one of them. Usually we will use exclaimed. He exclaimed, as it is the exclamatory sentence. We have used the word reporting verb exclaimed. Then we will remove the comma and inverted commas, and then we will write the conjunction. The conjunction which is used in exclamations is that. In assertive sentences also we have used the same conjunction, and in exclamations also we will use the conjunction that to join these two sentences. Then the first thing we have to do here, we will convert the sentence into assertive sentence. We will make it statement. How happy I am. So what will be the assertive of this sentence? It will be, I am very happy. While making statement of exclamation, we will write as per the structure of the statement, subject plus verb plus object. I am. Then as it is the exclamation, we will use very. If there is how, we will use very. If there is what, then we will use a very. Here how is given, that's why we have written here very, and then the remaining words. I am very happy. So we have converted the sentence into statement. Then as per the rules, we will write it into past tense, as the reporting verb is given about the past tense. So what will be there? Instead of I, we will write here he, because I am not happy. He is happy. That's why we have written here he. Instead of I, we will write here was, because we will convert it into the past tense. He was, and then the remaining sentence, very happy, and then full stop. Instead of exclamatory mark, we will use here full stop. So the answer is, he exclaimed that he was very happy. Let's see the next sentence. What a big animal it is, said he. Here said he is given at the end of the sentence, but while writing into indirect speech, you will write this at the beginning of the sentence. So we have written here he. Instead of said, we will use exclaimed. He exclaimed. Then the conjunction which we have used here is that. So we will write the conjunction that. He exclaimed that. Then we will convert the sentence into assertive. What a big animal it is. So what will be the assertive of this sentence? It is a very big animal. As I have told you already that if there is what, then we will use a very. If there is how, then we will write here very. So it is a assertive sentence we have made of this exclamation. Then as per the rule, we will convert it into the past tense. There are rules of direct and indirect speech. If there is simple present tense, then we will write simple past tense. If there is present continuous tense, then we will convert it into past continuous tense. I have given the chart in the previous video also. In this video also, I will give you the chart of the changes. Then he explained that it, instead of is, we will write here it was a very big animal. Here we will not write dash, we will write here big animal. I have already written it there, that's why I have given the dash and then full stop. The next sentence is, she said, what an interesting story it is. Here I have not written the story it is. Then the same changes we will do here. She exclaimed. The conjunction which we have used here is that. Then as per the rules, we will convert the sentence into assertive. So what will be the assertive? What an interesting story it is. So assertive will be, it is a very interesting story. Now change the sentence into past tense. It was a very interesting story and then full stop. The next sentence is, hooray, I have won the prize, he shouted. Here he shouted with joy. He is very happy and that's why he is saying that, hooray, I have won the prize. So if there are strong emotions of the speaker, then we will use shouted with joyfully or angrily if there is anger. After the reporting verb exclaimed. If there are strong emotions, then we will use angrily, joyfully or with fear after the reporting verb exclaimed. So here we will write, he shouted. We will not write here exclaimed or whispered, as it is already given that shouted. We will use the same reporting verb here. He shouted joyfully. He is very happy. There are strong emotions. That's why we have used here joyfully after the reporting verb. He shouted joyfully, hooray. Then we will convert the sentence into assertive as per the rule. I have won the prize. But here there is no use of what or how. That's why it is already given into the assertive or statement. So only we will make the changes in the tense of the sentence. He shouted joyfully that he, instead of I, we will write the third person pronoun he, because I have not won the prize. He have won the prize. Then he, instead of have, we will write past form had, and then the remaining sentence as it is, won the prize. Full stop. Let's see the last sentence. The children whispered, what a terrible man he is. Here we will write the subject, the children. So here reporting verb whispered is already given, so we will not make any change in it. We will use the reporting verb as given, as it is, whispered. The conjunction which we have to use, that what a terrible man he is. What will be the assertive of this sentence? He is a very terrible man. So we will write it into past tense. He was a very terrible man, full stop. So here I have given different types of sentences. The sentences of how, what, and we have seen what changes we have to do while converting it into indirect speech. Once again I revise it. While converting exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, we will use the conjunction exclaimed, whispered or lovingly told instead of said or said to. Then we will use the conjunction that, and we have to remove the comma and inverted commas. Then we will convert the sentence into assertive, which is given into inverted commas, or the exclamation. We will convert it into statement. The structure of statement is subject plus verb plus object, and then write down, make some changes as per the rules in tenses also and in pronouns also, and in some words also we have to make changes, and we will write the sentence and then full stop. If there is how, we will use how, very. If there is what in the sentence, we will write here a very. So I hope you will understand how to convert the direct speech of exclamation into indirect speech. We have seen the direct and indirect speech of all types of sentences, that is assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative and the exclamation. So please like and subscribe my channel.